Hi friends, today we'll see how to make a turkey ball using our air fryer. This is one of the easiest recipe. Let's go to the ingredients. I have taken 1 pound ground turkey and this is 1/3 cup of mozzarella cheese and 1 red onion. We can use a red onion so it gives a better taste, and 1 teaspoon of corn flour. This is completely optional. And I have 1 teaspoon of paprika powder and 1/3 cup of cilantro or parsley. I'm using cilantro today. And this is 1 teaspoon of cumin and pepper. I just ground them. And this is garlic paste, and I have binding agent 1 egg and salt as per your taste. So let's add our ingredients together. I'm adding my onion and cilantro and paprika powder and the cheese and the corn flour and the cumin. Teaspoon of garlic paste and binding agent. Let's add this together. Okay, let's give a good mix. Please use your hands so that it gives a good mix on the thing. Okay, I have given a good mix. Now we will make a ball. So I'm making it. When you make a ball, I would suggest you can use a little bit of oil in your palm so that gives like a good shape. Let's roll it. Yeah. Okay, now I made those turkey meatballs. Let's put it in the air fryer. The gasket. And remember, just give some space in between. Air fryer, so I'm selecting the air fryer option. The time I would suggest maybe about 10 minutes and give a start. Okay, now we are halfway done, so we got a message turned, so we will just now the meatballs are nicely cooked. Look at that. They are super hard, but I'll show you how they are cooked inside. See? Look the flavor. It's really delicious and flavorful. Please try this recipe and support our channel. Thanks everyone.